We'll guide you through how to use two audio outputs at the same time on Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient as perhaps you go and have two speakers, two headphones, doesn't matter. What we need to do this is get an app. So open your web browser, you need to go and search something called virtual audio cable, go and get it. This is the site here. You can press download at the top and go and download the exe here. After it's gone and downloaded, what you can do is you can go and install it like any other application. I already have. After you've got it, press search at the bottom and you need to go and type in audio repeater MME and open it up. Now what you need to do is go and find wave out and go and select one of the audio devices you want to use. I want to use this here. Then you want to go and right click on it in your taskbar and press it. And you want to go and choose wave out again and go and choose the other device. So I want to use these here. Now right click on the sound icon in the bottom right and press sound settings, and in output you need to make sure line 1 is selected, virtual audio cable, and then what you can do is go and press start on both of these and that's it, it'll be outputted.